So this is the laptop which I received from Dell Inspiron. It is Dell Inspiron 5490 and I am going to unbox it. I have some paperwork which also I received along with it. This is the invoice, etc. Okay, so let me open it. This is the base variant of Dell Inspiron 5490 and it is only available on Dell website. You will not find it anywhere else. On example, on Amazon, Flipkart, you will not find it. It is a very so in a huge bubble wrap I have along with it safety information and yeah, so there is another box with it and it contains the adapter. Yes, correct. So this is the adapter, and this is the official Dell adapter. It is written 65-watt adapter I have received, and I believe the battery is 51 watt hour. Okay, so and this is the cable which I received along with it. Okay, let's look at the laptop now. So yes, I received the good laptop, and here I have let me tell you, I have not received any bag along with it. I saw many reviews, many unboxing on YouTube for this laptop, and they may have received maybe because they bought it earlier than me. I bought it during the Diwali offer, festive offers, and it was available for 56,000, around 56,000 rupees, and this is the piece of tech before me. So this is purely made of metal, and the back is the plastic, as they say, call it plastic, and it is better built. This is the Inspiron laptop, 14-inch version, and it contains Intel UHD integrated graphics. It has i5 processor and 10th generation. I will show you the specifications later. And this is the air vent. Okay. On the right we have SD card slot. This one is the microphone slot, and this is USB. On the left side we have a charging port. This is HDMI port. This is Thunderbolt port. Through this this is USB type C Thunderbolt port. These two are USB type A 3.1 second generation, I guess. Yes, and this is USB type A, not 3.1. It is like 2.1. And this is Kingston lock. Yes, this is Kingston lock. Let me open it now. Okay, so this one is platinum silver color, which was the only color available when I ordered it, and this is the way it looks. Yeah, it looks so beautiful. And here it is a fingerprint scanner come power button, and we also have, okay, these are the air vents. Let me start it first time. Yeah, it is pure white color. Other than this, I guess ice mint color is also available, but it wasn't available when I purchased it, so it is your luck if you get it. And one more color is there, I will tell you later. So it contains 512 GB SSD, which is NVMe PCIe SSD, which is faster than normal SATA SSD. So let me set it up and then I will continue. Thanks.